Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back to my channel if you have already subscribed to my channel. Today we are going to be making a famous Nigerian snack, ChinChin. It's a very crunchy and sweet snack. So the ingredients we're going to be needing are you need flour, baking powder, egg, butter or cooking margarine, and then flavor. I'm going to be using this milk flavor. And you also need sugar, milk, and a little bit of salt. So let's get started. I'm going to start by sieving my flour. I'm going to be using 6 cups of flour. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm also going to sieve it. I'm going to keep it aside. Now in a bowl, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of sugar. If you don't like it very sweet, you can leave 1 cup will be okay. I'm going to break in 2 eggs. No. I'm now going to add the milk flavor. It will make it taste milky. Yes, just 2 tablespoons. And then I'll add a little bit of water and then mix. I'll allow the sugar egg mixture. I'll allow everything to sit for 5 minutes. While the mixture is resting, I'll add a little bit of salt. I'll also add baking powder. I'll add 1.5 teaspoon baking powder. And then give it a mix. I'll also add my milk, powdered milk. You can use any type of milk. It's not necessarily powdered milk. You can also use liquid milk. That's okay. And the milk is totally optional. You can even do your ChinChin without milk and it will be fine. But because of the milk flavor I'm using, that's why I use a little bit of milk. Give it a stir. And then when everything is done, this is our mixture. It's now ready. I'll now add the flour to the mixture. And then I'll add cooking margarine. I'll use half of the pack of the cooking margarine. And after that, I washed my hand because I'm going to use my hands to mix everything together. Okay, I'll start adding water bit by bit. I'll still add a little bit of water and mix until it forms a dough. Now I'm kneading it, making sure everything is properly incorporated. And now my dough is properly mixed. Allow it to rest for 5 minutes. And now dough is ready. It has rested enough. I'll start the cutting process. I'm doing this so that the chinchin dough will not stick to each other after cutting. So this is how I do it. My method might be slightly different from the method you are used to. And I don't like my chinchin to be very small in size. I like it average, like a medium size, not that too small. And you see it will be crunchy on the outside and then soft on the inside. And I will start. I use my scissors to cut. This is what I'll do for this remaining dough until I finish cutting. Now let me get going. And I have finished the cutting. Now we go to the frying part. In your frying pan, add vegetable oil enough for deep frying. We're going to fry on a medium heat. So I think this will be enough. This is the product I use. And after the oil is hot enough, I'll start frying the chinchin. And as you can see, look at how crunchy it looks even before tasting. And this is the last batch of the chinchin, last batch of the frying. So you can see this is how the chinchin looks after frying. And this is the last batch of the chinchin, last batch of the frying. So you can see this is how the chinchin looks after frying. here it is. You can see it's so crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. You can keep it for days without it getting bad or spoiled. That's it. Hope you like my videos. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe for amazing recipes. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.